Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 3-step process to make big money online. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the 3-step process to make big money online. So the very first thing is, what is your offer? What are you offering? No matter what it is, you need to know what you're offering and how your product is going to solve people's problems. You have to believe in it and make it irresistible. So let's rewind a little bit. How is it going to solve people's problems? You need to really know that, because if you just have a product that doesn't solve any problems, it just won't help. If you have a weight loss program and you're selling to people who actually want to lose weight, because that's important, you have to be targeted towards the people that you're selling the product to. If you're trying to sell a product to lose weight to somebody that doesn't really care, that doesn't want to lose weight, that's in shape, it just won't work. So you just have to target the right people and solve their actual problems. So let's say that you have that audience that they want to lose weight. Well, make sure that that program actually helps them lose weight. Don't just sell them a product for something completely different, because it won't work. For example, I'm helping people make money online with affiliate marketing and different other ways, but making money online and passive income. So for passive income, you need to have a sales page, you need to have a sales funnel, and you need to have something that's cheap, because if it's not cheap, then people will not buy it. Because so what I do is I promote Builderall, because that's the best way to do it. It's cheap and you have everything that's possible that you actually need to market online. So you don't need to use 30 different products. It's like probably a value of $10,000, but you only pay $50 a month. So that's what makes it irresistible, and I believe in it because I use it. I use it all the time. I have that, I pay for it, and you really need to have that in your product. Like if you lost weight because of a product, then you can actually promote it. But if that's not the case, then there's no point in promoting it, because you don't believe in it enough. So if you really need to believe that your product will solve people's problems. And the best way to do that is if you use it, or if you used it before and it actually helped you solve your problems. So for instance, Builderall, I'm keeping that because that is going to solve my problem, and it's been solving my problem for a while now. So you really have to make it irresistible. That's the next step. Make it irresistible. For instance, again, I'm just going to talk about what I used, Builderall. So it's probably a value of $10,000. It has everything. Like some people pay to have an email list, like they pay $5,000 a month. In Builderall, you have a place where you can get an email list for 100% free. So like it's a no-brainer. Plus you have a sales funnel, which is, if you go to ClickFunnels, you pay $99. So you don't have that. You have a script generator if you want to do that, and you will have to do that. So it has everything that is possible. So what you need to do is, just like that, is you need to make the value higher than the price. Like the price doesn't really matter, because if people think that that product is worth $10,000 and they only pay $50, then like the value is higher than the price, and that's exactly why I use that product. And it can be used in any niche, but you really need to apply that principle of having something that has more value than the price that people are going to pay for it. So the second thing is the traffic process. How are you getting traffic? There are a million different ways. So if you're just starting out, I would not suggest to have paid traffic, but we're still going to go over that if you're already started and you're already making some money. So you could use Facebook ads, you could use Google ads, you could use, Snapchat ads, you could use Instagram ads. There are a million different ways to use ads, but if you haven't done any marketing before, or you're just starting out, you're not making $10,000 a month, I would not suggest that you use that like paid traffic. So what you want to do instead is, using free traffic. So using Google. So if you have a blog, you can use Google. If you want to do Facebook, you could do Facebook, like create a Facebook group and grow your Facebook group. You could go to YouTube, just like I'm doing right now, which is, I believe, the best way, because you show your face and this is a video platform. And I can't stress this enough, the video is where the world is going right now. So YouTube is probably the best way if you want to use free traffic. Then you could use Instagram, you could use so many different things. However, and this applies if you're using paid or free traffic, you only want to use one source of traffic. There are billions of people using like Google, so you have your blog, YouTube, same thing. There are billions of people using it, so you won't run out of traffic. So, but you really want to pick one of the platforms, because that is going to be the way that you're going to make money. If you're just using different platforms all the time, you're learning so many different skills, you won't get to master any of them. So just stick to one single thing and actually master it. Master YouTube if you're doing YouTube. Master, Google if you're doing a blog. Master Facebook ads if you're doing Facebook ads. All these things, only do one single thing. You really need to make sure that you're using one thing, because I made this mistake before and it doesn't work. And so many people have made this mistake and just seem to never get anywhere. So make sure that you master one thing only. So number 3 is conversion process. You need to have a conversion process. If you're not having anything like that, if you're just posting videos to post videos, if you're posting blog posts, you have blog posts, it doesn't work. You need to have somewhere where you get people through your funnel. So that means that you need to have an offer, just like I talked about, but an offer where you can help people. So make them enter their email and then help them out through your offer, through your funnel. Just send them emails that will help them out and then get them to buy your product. If you don't have a conversion process, which basically means a funnel, then you're not going to make any money, or if you do make money, you're going to make it once and you're done and that's it. So you really need to master that. Make a sales funnel. Again, I've got that link in the description if you want to build a funnel, which is Builderall, so that's going to help you quite a bit. So make sure that you create a funnel. If you don't create a funnel, then you're done and you're never going to make any money. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.